When comparing GetResponse versus AWeber, the real question isn't just which email software has the most features, but which one offers the best analytics to help you track and optimize your email marketing efforts. So, let's dive into which platform delivers the most powerful, actionable insights, and which one might fall short of your goals. First up, GetResponse offers a range of analytics that go beyond basic open and click rates. With its email analytics dashboard, you can see how your campaigns perform in real time. You'll get detailed data on opens, clicks, unsubscribes, and bounces. But more importantly, GetResponse offers advanced segmentation and tracking capabilities that help you target specific groups based on their engagement levels. Next thing, GetResponse provides conversion tracking, which allows you to see how well your emails are converting into actual sales or leads. It's easy to set up and track your conversion goals within the platform. Plus, GetResponse integrates well with Google Analytics, giving you more granular insights into your traffic and conversion flow. On the other hand, AWeber's analytics is pretty solid too, but it does come with some limitations compared to GetResponse. It's great for beginners, with an easy-to-understand dashboard and basic open, click, and bounce rate stats. However, when it comes to more advanced analytics, AWeber isn't as feature-rich as GetResponse. While you can track basic campaign metrics, AWeber doesn't offer the same level of detailed segmentation or conversion tracking. Now, one major advantage of AWeber is its simplicity. If you're new to email marketing and just need something to get you started, AWeber's streamlined analytics interface might be all you need. But if you're looking to dive deeper into data-driven decisions, you may find yourself wanting more. Next thing, both platforms do offer A/B testing capabilities. GetResponse takes the lead here, however, by allowing you to test multiple variables, including subject lines, email content, and even send times. AWeber allows for basic A/B testing, but its functionality is limited when compared to GetResponse's more robust testing suite. The fourth thing you should consider is reporting customization. In GetResponse, you can create custom reports tailored to your specific business needs. This is crucial if you want to focus on certain metrics that are most important to your campaigns, like revenue generated or lead quality. AWeber, unfortunately, doesn't offer this level of customization, so you're pretty much stuck with the default reports. Finally, if we're talking integrations, GetResponse is a clear winner when it comes to linking your email campaigns with other tools you might already be using, such as CRMs and e-commerce platforms. AWeber does integrate with many tools, but the setup process can be a bit clunky, and the number of integrations isn't as extensive as what you get with GetResponse. Now, let's be honest, while both GetResponse and AWeber offer good features, they do have their limitations, especially if analytics is your primary focus. After testing both platforms myself, I can confidently say that there's a better alternative if you're looking for a more complete analytics experience. If you want to really take your email marketing to the next level, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.